Hello everyone, welcome to channel. I'm Karisma Pandya from Indonesia, and in this channel I will show you how to make it a gradient noise UI design with Figma, only Figma. Lately I'm interested in how to make a design is because this design is colorful and yeah, this design is trend in this year. Maybe you guys are thinking how to make it, and so let's go through the output. And here already have a file called Villa.io, and with a background the plain one. We will change it to be more colorful but still interesting. Maybe we will duplicate it first, then drag it here. After that, we rename the file Villa.io 1. Okay. Then we make the shape first for the background, and first we shape the screen color for the background layer is put at the bottom. And the color is changed. Yes, we rename it to background. Okay, then we make an ellipse with the size. You can give any size, it's up to us and for us to enter it into the Villa.io 1 area. Yes, and the tip so that the gradient is not too collide with change color. Don't go too far because later the color are very opposite. For example, I'm change the color to be orange. After that, we click the effect layer blur and go to the screen. Then we change the layer blur to 400. It looks interesting. We need the next color. We change the color to white, and we enlarge. It's not too big. Then we change it here too. Take the color for the background as well. After that, we add the background here to make it colorful. I will fade it even more after this. How to make a texture? Because the gradient, because it's in here, it looks smooth, which is not visible. You can install plugin called noise in Figma. How to that? The first step, right click, then go to a plugin and click more plugin, then search for noise like this. After that, you click and you can go directly or save. I have saved it, and you open the plugin and we change the density like this, a bit high, and keep contrast and don't need to change. and a little bit. We enlarge this to the size of the output. After that, we put the bottom part here in on the gradient. If we change the screen, the effect become an overlay. If it's too thick, we can lower its opacity by 50%. It will change if this is how want to make a dark version. Maybe I will show you how to. Then we go to our screen. We can duplicate this, and you can change the background. The background to dark background. Okay, after that, because the color is too colored, we will change the color one by one like this. Black color, I will change the color to black, and for this part, and if it is dark, the color is better if one can is better. So what's more, it looks focused on the text, is not the gradient. Choose the green color according to the Villa Io describes is prosperity, and this color we just change it to black. It just a little light, and for the text you don't have to change it one by one like this. It's very consuming much time. We just change this part. Just click on the layer where there is collection of color. The color changes from black to white immediately. Then everything changes like this. It's same color. We just change it to white. Then automatically turn white. Okay, so this is a dark version and this is a light version. That's the process how to make gradient noise with Figma. And yeah, you can, if you're happy, if your opinion this video is very useful, you can click and subscribe there. And you have any feedback, you can write in column commenter. If you have requests about your design or review app, review how to make it, you can create the word in column commenter. I'm Garisma Pandia from Indonesia. Thank you.